Welcome to my study today. Let's have a look at the phrase in case to help you improve your spoken English. And there's an exercise at the end of the video for you to practice. So, let's get started. Just in case is a very useful phrase to use before something happens. John carries a first aid kit with him because he might have an accident. And I could say, John carries a first aid kit in case he has an accident. Jane always carries an umbrella with her because she knows it rains a lot in England. Yes, that's very true. I always take a brolly with me in case it rains. She's used the colloquial word for an umbrella, brolly. Some people in England say that, a brolly instead of umbrella. I always take a brolly with me in case it rains. In case is very useful in business English. I sent you an email because you might need the information today. I sent you an email in case you need the information today. And when we have a backup plan in case something goes wrong, we can get sudden storms, so bring a raincoat with you. Bring a raincoat in case we get a sudden storm. Now here's a warning, do not use will after in case. It's actually followed by a present tense. I'll phone for a taxi in case the bus is late. We can't use will be late here. We can use in case in the past. Jane used to take her brolly with her in case it rained. You may have seen on notices in case of. That's slightly different. In case of fire, ring the alarm. If there is a fire, ring the alarm. In this next example, you'll notice the man in the strange suit doesn't give a reason why he says just in case. The boy says, "Why are you dressed like that?" And the man says, "Just in case." That's quite common in English. Someone might say to you, "Why are you doing that?" And you can say, "Just in case." You don't have to give a reason. Just put some emotion into the phrase, just in case. If is slightly different to in case. Look at these two sentences. I'll come tomorrow in case the doctor needs me. I'll come tomorrow if the doctor needs me. Can you see the difference? In the first one, it depends on the opinion of the speaker. But in the second one, it depends on the opinion of the doctor. And in fact, in sentence A, you can remove in case and it still makes sense. I'll come tomorrow. But in the second sentence, sentence B, you cannot remove the if clause because it changes the meaning. I'll come tomorrow if the doctor needs me. It depends on what the doctor wants. So if you found my lesson useful, could I ask you to subscribe below and ring that bell. Thanks. Now here's an exercise for you to practice in case. It is repetitive, but the repetition will help you get it into your head. And it's a very good phrase to use in your spoken English. Exercise 1. Insert in case in the blank spaces. Exercise 1. Answers. Next time I shall have a look at relative clauses. That's clauses where we use who, whom, that and which. They can be quite difficult, but I'll give you a system where you can really understand them. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe below and I'll see you next time. Bye.